Hi guys, not a lot of toys to go through today, just some figures and some Sailor Moon Crystal merchandise. First up, we have the Sailor Moon Crystal Blu-ray Limited Edition Volume 7. The box is really pretty. It's a shimmery silver white. The theme is Princess Serenity. And these are the 2 episodes on it. Here's what's inside once you open up the box. There's this cutie moon rod charm. It's made of metal, so it's pretty heavy. This is the artwork. It's really gorgeous. On the back, there's Luna and Artemis. And this is the Blu-ray. And here's the booklet. This Sailor Moon Crystal capsule set comes with 5 items. 2 pouches, it's really cool they included this Moon Twilight Flash. They're really thin. And a second pouch. And also these little earring charms. The white things are for you to hook them onto your headphones so they dangle from the headphones, kind of like earrings. If you don't like that, you can remove it and just hook them somewhere else. And then there's this really pretty choker charm. It's made of plastic. You can hook a ribbon through the loop here and wear it like a cosplay item. And there's a clasp here, so you can hook it as a bag charm or something. And this little plastic case, it opens up. You can store really tiny items or flat items in it. It's a fun but not that high quality set. Here are the Tamashii Buddies. This is the packaging. They're pretty cute, but the paint job isn't the best. Some things are a little off-center and across the lines, but you won't really notice it unless you look really closely. They're not the most creative figures out there, but for $15, it's okay. I like that there's a little plastic flame here inside the packaging. That's the logo. I'm not going to take mine out of the box since their box has a pretty big window and you can see them clearly. This is a box of 6 of the new figures by Mega House. The figures look like they're sitting on little pieces of candy. The inside boxes look like this. And here they are opened up. They're really adorable. When you first take them out, you have to do a little assembly with the head and the body and the stand. Their necks are jointed, so you can twist their head whichever way you like to make the poses a little different. They're really colorful, and the candy pieces look pretty realistic. I want to eat them. These figures are pretty well made. Next are these liquid eyeliners. They're really pretty, but they're nothing too special. I'm sure you can find better quality at Sephora. This is the lid, which you don't even really need to use. They're nice to have, but they're not really must-gets for me.